Hey there, welcome back. So in this video we're gonna check the nesting of loop exercise. In our last video we have checked the nesting of loop, and I have also given you one exercise. The exercise is in front of us. In the first line of the console we need to print the character at, and in the next line we need to print the character at twice. Likewise, in the fifth line we need to print the character at for 5 times. So let us add in two loops, one inside another. So the variable which we will use is definitely I, and now as we would require to display this pattern for 5 rows, we will add in the condition as I is less than equal to 5. So pretty simple, and then we will increase the value of I. Alright, so let us add in the inner loop, and the inner loop would be based on the variable j. The condition is not proper as if now it will not solve our purpose, and as if now the condition is j is less than equal to 5, and we will increase the value of j. Alright, so in here we would be simply printing out the value of j, right? Now friends, after complete iteration of the inner loop, we would require a new line character. For that matter of purpose, we will be simply printing out a new line character. And the way is pretty simple. We will simply call in the println method. Alright, so this seems to be good enough. As if now we haven't implemented the logic which will print this pattern. Let us check what would be the output. The output is pretty simple. We are simply printing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 for 5 times. Now in here let us update the condition, and the condition would be if j is less than equal to I. Now the things will become interesting. So the output is 1, then 1, 2, then 1, 2, 3, then 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is interesting because this is the exact count which we require for this pattern. First of all, we would require 1 character, then we will require 2 character, then we will require 3 character, then 4, and then 5 characters. So pretty interesting. So in here I will do one small little change. In place of println, we will make use of print, and interestingly we would be able to see certain type of character. In place of this number, if we print this character, then our purpose could be solved. So let me show you how we can do it. In between pair of single quote we can print any symbol, and that symbol in our case would be at, and I suppose our task is done. So this is amazing, and this is how we can generate the pattern which is expected. So this is something really good. So this was a small little exercise, and if you got this correct, then congratulations. And this is it for today. I will catch you in the next video. Thanks for watching.